Good morning, everybody. Joe Panone here with CW Dash. Talking to you from the great state of Connecticut here in the Northeast United States. CW Dash, it's been over 4 years now. We have over 1,000 users using CW Dash. Super excited this morning to talk to you about CW Dash and the newest version. Of course, there's a cloud version and there's an on-premise version. I'm going to be showing you the on-premise today, but both are available and do an excellent job, if you don't mind me saying, of helping you to see your ConnectWise data in a very different way, in a very, very helpful manner. Of course, we're an MSP, Forza Technology Solutions. We use the product. We eat our own dog food, and super excited to bring these new features and to show our current base of partners and any prospects out there that are interested in looking at it to please just give me a couple more minutes to show you right through. CW Dash is a very easy to install application. It's only this box right here. Once it's installed, you can then choose all the panels you'd like to see. I have 6 or 7 up at one time right now. I'll go through them fairly quickly. This panel right here is open tickets by company. You can actually see the different companies we have. This is real live information here and how many tickets that they have that are not closed. You'll notice that there's a button down here, show completed tickets. We have a situation, or most MSPs do, where technicians complete tickets and then a service manager or dispatch closes them. So with this button here, you're able to toggle the completed tickets. This will show all the completed tickets, and this will hide all the completed tickets. If you have a big monitor up in your NOC or your bullpen, sometimes you don't want the technicians to see the completed tickets. Of course, you can get on any one of these and click onto it and drill down and actually see the ticket. It'll actually open up the browser and go directly into the ticket. So you can see that drill down on all these bars is available. So this is open ticket by company. How many tickets do each company have open? This right here is open ticket by status. These are different statuses there are and how many tickets that are not closed. And of course, you could drill down on any one of these. You could see where the different boards they're coming from. An important thing to note is that on all these panels, you have the option to change the look and feel and the color of the panel. Also, you can choose the service boards. If you want to remove certain service boards, I don't want to have this idea board and a particular client board and the CEO board on this. I can remove it, click OK, and the moment the data gets refreshed. You can also get this information, click the Excel button. It's hidden back there, but you can actually dump everything to Excel. So you have a real live snapshot in time of the data. And close that, and this is real time, of course. I'll keep it open right there. Here we have open tickets by each service board. These are the different service boards we have, and these are the tickets that we have that are not closed. Again, you can click on any one of these and drill down. I'm not sure if this kind of lime green is the most prettiest, but that's the one I chose just for the sake of showing you the option. I'll kind of position that here. Here we have one of our new boards where it shows ticket activity. It's first thing here in the morning, and we have 3 open tickets. We didn't close any today. We had 103 open this week, 97 closed this week. This month, we've had close to 780. And we've completed this. We've completed that much. Here you kind of see the donkey. It's the person who has a ticket the open the longest. And I don't mean to pick on my technician here, but I just happen to know that this is a ticket that's been around for a long time. The client is a part of a project, and it's just been kind of ongoing. No fault of ours. They're kind of holding their. I don't mean to make excuses, but it is what it is. There's the ticket activity. Here we have open tickets by member. I only selected these 4 members. Again, you can choose and select and deselect who you want, how many tickets they have open that are not closed. Again, you could drill down on any one of them. Open tickets by age. How important is this to see how many tickets that are open in 7 days, between 8 and 14 days, etc. You have open tickets by age. Here we have open opportunities by salesperson, the 3 salespeople I have, and how many opportunities that they have. It looks like a pretty decent pipeline. 105 opportunities here, 56 opportunities there. Again, you can click and drill down, see the information more closely. How many of you have an issue with timesheet, with technicians putting in their timesheet. I know you're all shaking your head, yes, but here we have timesheet by day. And again, you can select and deselect who you want to see, and it has how much time they put in each day. How important is this? If you put this up on a big monitor in your knock or in your bullpen, it increases the level of accountability because now everybody can see how much time they put in. And if that one technician who only put in 15 minutes on Wednesday, if that happens, the other technicians will be, elbowing them, saying, "What's the deal here, man? You only put 15 minutes in?" Helps incredibly. Here we have a lot more panels that we can choose from. Utilization is a very important one. Are you doing utilization billable by actual hours, or are you doing it? Are you calculating it by actual hours by daily capacity? Here we have the ability to drill down. You can see you can actually choose a different date range if you want to see the current month or the last quarter. Click continue and it refreshes the data right away. So very, very quick and easy to learn. Here's hours worked by member. How many hours are each of your technicians working? It shows billable versus actual there, and you could change the date range to whatever you like. It shows the totals is there as well. Also, hours by agreement. Are you making money on your agreements? Many of you are all you can eat. Some of you are time and material. A lot of you are hybrid like we are here at Forza. We have some of those clients, those legacy clients that just won't move to the all-you-can-eat. They're staying on T&M. Are we making money by agreement? You can choose the time range and see how you doing on those agreements. One of the biggest things that CW Dash does is a client summary. How many of you do quarterly business reviews or have a period where you're actually reviewing with clients? You just simply choose the client here. You choose the date range, last 14. I'm going to actually go back and go from October to, let's say, December. And then I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to click finish, and then it's going to dump all that information to Excel, all the tickets, everything that was related to this client in that time range is going to be dumped here. Open tickets by type, the total, what percentage we closed 100% of the tickets that quarter, open by service board, by member, hours by agreement, hours worked, and of course once it's in here, we could do whatever we want. Once it's in Excel, right, we could change this whatever we want. We can actually change some of these numbers if we need to. We could hide the certain information. Once it's in Excel, we could do whatever we want. So that's a great tool to bring to your client to show them their quarterly business reviews. We take it one step further where we actually do a technician review, a member review, where you put in their member last name or first name. I'll put in myself. Choosing to put in the date range, click finish, it'll dump everything to Excel just like it did before. I don't know if you ever had a situation where, I had one situation where a technician said to me, "I closed 1,000 tickets last month. I want a raise." So we were able to go through there through the member summary and a member review and really show all that information. So here we have a panel builder. We're able to actually build your own panels. It's 3 simple steps. You choose service tickets. You choose whatever the next criteria is. Let's see if you wanted to, I don't know, show a service board that had a certain SLA of more than 4 hours. Let's say a service ticket that has an age of more than 4 hours. You click next. This will give it a panel name. It'll make your own panel. You can have an unlimited amount of those, and you can create them right there, and they'll show up in this list. So CW Dash, please go to cwdash.com, click on Try It. You'll get a trial review that's for the cloud and for the on-premise. It's a great tool. We have a huge adoption, a large base at this point. But thank you so much for your time today. Have a great day. This is Joe Pannone signing off. Be well.